Here we are, Summer Bridge Cable. Pete and John refused to show up. And we were at the GreyBar, what was it called?
Technology Showcase.
The Technology Showcase. Wow.
God for Victoria.
Yes. So, Mark, what is the one thing that you took away from today that was incredible knowledge?
I love the corning class. I really did.
Yeah.
It's interesting with the composite cable, how you can run the power and everything. It saves so much time, it seems like. Space, a lot less cable. It saves customers money. It's a great selling point.
Ooh, that's nice.
And it's expansive.
Nice.
Yes.
That's even
Very
a fancy
easy,
word.
Very easy to add on to. It's very nice.
Oh, don't talk about sales. We're going to post this on YouTube. Hold on. Victoria, out of all the fabulous information that you have gathered here at the GreyBar Technology Center, what would you say you took away? The one thing out of multiple things.
God, there's so many. I took so many notes, but honestly, I want to say there's probably. I just want to say Bridge Cable will probably end up doing a lot of exciting things in the future. That's all I'm going to say.
That is, ooh, that's well done. You like that, Vince? That was
man,
a positive
I can't-
remark, not a negative
I can't
remark.
compete with that. Don't even ask me now.
No, just go to the next one.
Bill?
I got nothing to say after that.
No, well, yeah,
Exactly.
that is hard to follow. Bill, in all the information that you absorbed today, like a sponge, what did you take away the one thing?
I have to agree with Mark.
You what?
I have to agree with Mark. Composite.
Same here.
Yeah.
The corning class.
The corning.
All right. Looks like we're all
And
in
good
the
food.
fiber. All right. Ben, out of the amazing things that you absorbed today, what is the one thing that you could take away from today?
The ever-expanding field of technology provides bright, amazing opportunities for our future work.
Well said. Well said. And Vince, a positive note of what you learned today, besides that they validate our parking here.
We didn't confirm that yet,
Oh,
but
okay.
I also agree with Mark.
Oh, come on. Give me one good answer. Give me something new.
There's free food.
Free food. Give me one last thing. Come on, Vince. One technology thing.
I'll give us a real answer.
The DAS. I like the spider cloud.
Oh, thank you, Bill. Thank you, Daz.
Yeah, the information we never even knew of.
Distributed antenna systems, which you can contact Victoria and she will tell you all about it. And probably Mark will be running it with Bill. And occasionally if Ben shows up. So we're going to close out a GreyBar of all the vast information.